Hi guys, today I have leaked information for the new Wreck-It Ralph 2 Happy Meal toy set. So this person on eBay always gets leaked information. I'm guessing this person works at McDonald's because he or she sold 440 of these sets already. Yeah, these are the pictures they have over here, and it just shows Wreck-It Ralph. And this is from Wreck-It Ralph 2, and it just shows this random racer. I'm pretty sure this is not going to be a Happy Meal toy. But over here, they basically tell you which toys will be in the set. So toy number 1 is Vanellope Racer. I'll just go through the names, then I'll show all the characters. There are no leaked pictures, but I'll show you who the characters are. So toy number 1 is Vanellope Racer. Toy number 2 is Shank. 3 is Knowsmore. 4 is Wreck-It Ralph. 5 is Yes. 6 is Moana. 7 is Vanellope Sugar Rush Racer, so a different version. 8 is Calhoun. 9 is Taffyta. 10 is Felix. 11 is Spamley, and 12 is Cinderella. So here's Wreck-It Ralph, as you all probably know. Here is Vanellope. Here's Cinderella. So they have a bunch of Disney princesses and a bunch of Disney characters in Wreck-It Ralph 2. So it looks like they have Cinderella and Moana as racers. So that would be cool to see how they actually look. Then here is Spamley, Fix-It Felix. It looks like she's coming back from the Sugar Rush game, and she'll be in the second movie as well. And then this is Calhoun. I might be saying the name wrong. Here's Moana. This is Yes. This is Knowsmore. And this is Shank. And a lot of these characters were already in the trailer. These are some of the new characters in the movie that were in the trailer, and then we have 2 of the Disney princesses. So it would be pretty cool to see this set, and I'm pretty sure some pictures will be leaked before the set releases. And there's not that much time left now. I think it was November 12th. And I can't wait for the set. You could check out 426 more Happy Meal toy videos while you wait for the set to come out. And as soon as more pictures are leaked or the set comes out, I'll get the toys as soon as I can. The current set is Pokemon and Hello Kitty in the US. And looks like I have 4 of these toys as of right now. I'll try to get more. And anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.